Okay, so what exactly I was telling you? I was telling you how to write a simple application. And in modern styles, what exactly you do? You first of all write down the date. And today date is May 8, 2020, full stop. Then since this application goes to the principal, you will write the principal, and organization, you can write down the name of the organization. And if you are sitting in board exams, you need not write the exact name. You can simply go for E.B.C. And then here exactly comes the subject and colon. Some of the people they write it something like that. But let me tell you this hyphen is a mistake here, so you need not write it in English. There is no hyphen like that after colon. After writing the subject of your application, go for dear sir and then comma, then go ahead, and from almost this point you can start your application. Okay. Now there are a couple of things which you should not do or must not do. I don't expect from any one of you to say I hope you are enjoying good health or something like that. And you know the reason why you shouldn't say so, because these are informal remarks written for your close ones. Here in a formal letter or application, their pattern is slightly different, but they address the same purpose, almost same purpose. Dear sir, and after that, come to the point. For example, if you want to go for, you have your brother's wedding, so it will go something like that. Dear sir, my brother is going to get married on, and then mention date here. Okay, on a certain date. And of course, you want to attend, so you can write down that I want to attend the wedding ceremony. Therefore, I may be I may be granted leave from to I I shall be or I will be uh, highly obliged for this act of kindness. And what is more important, that is information about you, your name. For example, first of all, write uh, yours faithfully, comma, and then write down your name, that is here X dot Y or Z dot, and then your, of course, classes, for example, 11C, and then your roll number, or roll number we'll call it here. Please mention your roll number. Okay. And after, so this is the pattern. One thing when you write real application is that after XYZ, you put your signatures here. For example, if your name is Ali or Muhammad Ali, so it will go something like that. Muhammad Ali. Okay, so that looks like your signatures. So these are some of the important things you need to note. And one thing which I'll emphasize, like to emphasize, that is the brevity of your text. Brevity is briefness or shortness. That here you have not written even a single word which you think is extra. You have only written things which are important for your principal to know. Now you have 9 minutes time, and I don't think so it will take so long to write a short application. Uh, you want to get leave for a small minor surgery, okay, which is not possible in your college hospital. So you want 1 week or 2 weeks leave. I think 1 week's leave is fine, or 2 weeks if you like it. Go ahead and write down an application in which you mention that you are going for a 2 weeks leave. You want to go for a 2 weeks leave because you have been suggested to undergo a minor surgery, which the facility of which is not present in your college hospital. Okay? I'm sure it makes sense.
Yes, sir.
Have you marked your attendance, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Please
Yes,
do it. Those who don't mark the attendance, they will be considered absent in case the college wants records and I present the record, computer generated record. So if there is any problem, uh, then it will be problem for you, of course. So please go to your notebooks quickly, grab them and write down a short application. I would like at least one of you. Uh, okay, just go and write the body of application and then come back in 5 minutes time. I'll be